The nature of jurisprudence explains the character and scope of jurisprudence as a subject. Jurisprudence is a theoretical and philosophical study of law which deals with the basic principles underlying all legal systems. It does not deal with particular laws of any one country but studies law in a general and scientific manner. The nature of jurisprudence explains what kind of subject it is. Nature of jurisprudence. Universal. Jurisprudence is universal because it deals with the general principles of law applicable to all legal systems. Jurisprudence studies general principles of law, not the law of one country. Its concepts like rights, duties, justice, liability, ownership apply to all legal systems. It is not limited to Indian law, English law, or any specific country. Jurists from different countries have contributed to jurisprudence, showing its worldwide character. Theoretical subject. It deals with legal ideas, not practical cases. Jurisprudence is a theoretical or abstract subject. It does not deal with practical cases or the day-to-day application of law by courts. Instead, it focuses on legal concepts such as rights, duties, liability, ownership, and justice. Philosophical in nature. It studies the philosophy behind law, justice, rights, and duties. Jurisprudence is closely related to legal philosophy. It studies the philosophical foundations of law, justice, morality, rights, and duties. It attempts to answer questions like what law is, why law exists, and what is the relation between law and justice. Science of law. It arranges legal principles in a systematic manner. Jurisprudence is considered a science because it systematically studies and classifies legal principles. It organizes legal concepts in a logical and scientific manner, helping in the clear understanding of law. Not concerned with one country only. It studies law in a general sense, not only Indian law. Jurisprudence is not concerned with the laws of one particular country. It studies law in a general sense and applies to all legal systems. Therefore, it is not limited to Indian law or any other national legal system. Dynamic subject. Jurisprudence changes with time and society. Jurisprudence is not a static subject. It changes with social, economic, and political developments. As society evolves, legal ideas and concepts also develop, and jurisprudence also changes.